PECO Control Systems is excited to release the T360 thermostat with receiver, as pictured here. This thermostat ships in cartons of 20 and master cartons of 40. Mounting hardware is included along with batteries, installation instruction, and a small Velcro fastener for mounting the receiver. The receiver mounts inside the equipment, and it should be noted to mount it near a grill or opening to ensure good signaling. The peel and stick mounting fastener allows for quick and easy installation of this unit. Outputs serve PTEC, heat pump and fan coil applications. There's a heat output, a fan high, fan low, a reversing valve, and a cool output, in addition to the 24-volt power supply that's required for this unit. A few key features include the ability to set heat and cool limit set points. Of course, the reversing valve can be changed from B to O. The independent heat and cool swing cycles and room calibration are all features of the service menu. More information can be located on the installation instruction located on our website. This thermostat runs on batteries or power 24 volts. Thank you for watching this short video. If you want more information, you can either visit our website or you can go to and send an email to controls@estronics.com. We'd love to hear from you.